Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea.
In my today's video, we will know who is ignoring your friend request on Facebook.
But before I continue with my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video, comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Feel free to request us if you have any suggestions for our new videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. Now go to Find Friends from the top of your right hand side. Under Friends, go to Friend Requests, and here you can see View Sent Request.
And here you can see the number of requests that you have sent. Your requests are not being shown here. It means your requests are either accepted or rejected. If your requests are still shown here, it means they are ignoring your friend request. And this is how you will find who are ignoring your friend requests.
Please let us know how you find our videos by commenting below. Give a thumbs up to our videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.